Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Jason Chico. Today, I'm going to present to you the different types of graphic organizers. But of course, let us first define what is graphic organizer. Graphic organizers are visual tools that structure information, helping students isolate key concepts, map out relationships, and improve reading comprehensions. Through these different types of graphic organizers, it makes our studies and work easier and better because it helps us to finish things quickly. Let's move on to the first one. We have the Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a visual illustration that uses overlapping circles to show the relationships between different groups of items, concepts, or datasets. It shows the similarities and differences between two different groups or concepts, as you can see in the picture, the tomato and the apple. The tomato is red in flesh, mushy and savory, while the apple is white in flesh, firm and sweet in taste. They both similar in fruit, round and smooth skin. Next one. The main function of a Venn diagram is to organize information visually so you can quickly see how items correlate. Venn diagrams are highly versatile and widely used across several domains like education and literature, business and marketing. Next one, we have T-chart. T-chart is a simple graphic organizer that separates information into two distinct columns, split down the middle by a vertical line and capped by a horizontal line at the top to resemble the letter T. The main purpose of a T-chart is to help you visually organize, compare, and contrast two opposing or related facets of a single topic side by side. This will help you to visually compare and contrast two subjects, or you can evaluate the pros and cons of a decision. T-charts commonly used in decision making and business, education, and reading comprehension. Next, we have flowchart. A flowchart is a visual diagram that maps out a process, system, or computer algorithm step by step. Its primary function is to break down complex procedures into chronological, easy to understand steps to facilitate analysis, communication, and problem solving. It organizes in order to easy to understand the steps from start to finish. Next one, flowcharts commonly used in business and project management, software development, and IT. The fourth one, we have mind map. A mind map is a visual, non-linear diagram used to organize ideas, tasks, or concepts around a single central topic. The main function of a mind map is to visually organize information, ideas, and concepts around a central theme. This organizes information around a central idea or theme using branches to link related concepts where it mirrors how the brain naturally works. Mind map can use in brainstorming and strategy, studying, and note-taking. Next, we have KWL chart. A KWL chart is a graphic organizer that tracks learning across three phases. The K stands for know, your prior knowledge, W, want to know, inquiries and goals, and the letter L is learn, your new takeaways. It functions to active background knowledge, build purpose, and promote reflection. It is commonly used in classrooms, workshops, and research projects. It is used to guide learning before, during, and after a lesson or a research project. It helps you to track the learning process and improves reading comprehension by organizing information. The KWL model is commonly used in before reading or lessons or during the research projects. Next one, or the sixth one, we have fishbone diagram. A fishbone diagram, also known as Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram, is a visual tool that maps out all the potential causes of a specific problem or effect. It identifies and visually organizes all the potential root causes of a specific problem or effect. Okay, next, it functions as a structured brainstorming aid and root cause analysis or RCA method, helping teams transition from guessing about symptoms to identifying actual underlying flaws. Fishbone diagram commonly used in business and project management, manufacturing, and production. The seventh one, we have problem-solving map. A problem-solution map or problem-solving map is a visual graphic organizer or framework used to break down a complex issue into a actionable parts by connecting specific challenges to their corresponding solutions. It visually tracks the journey from defining the core issue, identifying its root causes, brainstorming potential actions, and weighing consequences to select the best solution. This helps you to achieve your goal through a logical sequence of steps like identify the main problem, make a best decision, and make a reflect and review to evaluate your solution will really works. Next, problem-solving map is highly versatile and are regularly used across various industries including the business and process optimization, education, and skill building. Next, in conclusions, learning with graphic organizers is that they are highly effective, evidence-based tools that transform complex information into manageable visual structures. By using these types of graphic organizers, this will help you to easily understand, remember, and organize complex ideas by breaking them down into smaller and visual pieces. So that's all. Thank you for listening.